Many people are traumatized by the fear of rejection. Family, do not fear rejection. It's all good. Just keep it moving. Don't let no stop you from pursuing your dream, your passion, your goal. I used to fear rejection. I know how that feels. We are commanded by the Most High Yah to not fear rejection. The Messiah, Yahusha. Yahusha is the Hebrew word for the name of the Messiah, Yahusha. He instructed the disciples to go to the lost sheep of Israel, to preach the word and to heal the sick. They were instructed to proclaim, the kingdom of heaven is at hand. They were told when they were rejected, when the gospel was rejected that they preached, you know what they did, family? The disciples were told to shake off the dust off their feet. When the people rejected the word, that's what they did. They shook off the dust off their feet and kept it moving. That message wasn't only for the disciples. That message is for you. When you pursue your passion, when you share your business opportunities with people and they reject you, they reject your business proposals, shake off the dust of your feet and keep it moving. When you preach the word of Yah to people, whether they be your family, your friends, people that you do not know, when they say no, you know what to do. Dust off your feet, shake off the dust off your feet, and keep moving forward. If you are single and you approach somebody that you're interested in, you're attracted to that person, and they reject you, you know what to do. Don't do what a lot of these busters do. Get upset and name call because they can't handle rejection. Do not fear rejection. It's all about perspective. Hey, when you approach that person you're interested in and they say no, it's all good. You guys are not compatible. If they do not accept your business proposal, it's all good. It just wasn't compatible. You are not going to be bothered, upset, or destroyed by the fear of rejection. Why? Because you are chosen by Yah. You have abundance. Oh, yes, you do. Many people fear rejection because they have the mindset of scarcity. Is it scarcity or scarcity? You know what I'm trying to say. Many are imprisoned by the fear of rejection because they're insecure. They do not love themselves. It's important to look at yourself in the mirror and love what you see. It's important to love the person that you see in your reflection. You are a child of Yah. You do not fear. No. You do not fear rejection. You fear the Most High Yah. Therefore, everything else, you fear nothing. Trust in the Most High. Seek the Most High. When you're told no, notice I said when. When you receive rejection, seek the Most High. Understand that rejection is not rejection. It's uncompatibility, if that is a word. If it isn't, I'm making up words. I'm from the Bay, so we used to making up words. You know what I'm trying to say. Do not fear rejection. You are missing blessings when you fear rejection. You are missing opportunities when you fear rejection. Whoever you fear becomes your God. If you fear rejection, then rejection is your God. That means the enemy is your God. No, you serve the God over all gods. You serve the King over all kings. You are chosen by Yah. When Yah gives you those opportunities and puts them right in front of you, family, go for it. Do not be afraid. Be bold and courageous. Go and give your elevator pitch. Go and spit your game. That business opportunity could be the one that changes your life forever. That person that you are attracted to, that you approached because you do not fear rejection, that person can be your future husband or wife. I know I said husband. Usually women don't holler at men. Hey, I'm not trying to debate that right now. But ladies, hey, if you don't approach men, hey, I can understand. However, it's important that we put ourselves in position to get hollered at. How's that? Go out there and seize the opportunities that Yah puts in front of you. Yah is in control of all things. He's in control of everything, family. Do not fear rejection. You have abundance. You are great. You are mighty. Go get it, family. Go get it.